everyone, and welcome to Paul 1101, American Government Practices and Values. This is for the Spring 2025 asynchronous section of the course. So every week in this class, I will send out an email and a little video like this one on Monday. And you will be able to get that to your email. You'll also see it on Brightspace on our announcements. And again, there'll be a little video like this. Now, the video and the email/announcement will contain the same information. So it's up to you how you wish to engage with them. If you're sort of a more visual or auditory learner, you may want to watch the video. If you're better with written work, you may just want to read the email. It is up to you. I provide this in two formats so that you can engage with it the way that is best for you as an individual learner. So you don't have to do both. Again, it's up to you. Use whichever format is the best for you. So this week, when you're ready to get started, you'll head on over to Brightspace to our week 1 module, and you'll see all the material for the week in that module. Now this week, because it is our first week, we're not gonna learn much new information. We're just gonna get started, get a feel for the class and how the semester is gonna go without any actual face-to-face class meetings. So this week, you'll have 3 assignments. You're gonna have discussion, quiz, and a survey. So let's look at each of those. The discussion board this week is just going to be to introduce yourself to your classmates. Typically, the discussion board will involve doing a small activity and responding to that activity based on the class materials for the week. So you will be expected to incorporate readings and/or lecture materials into your discussion or responses. But this week, because we're not really learning much new material, you are just going to be expected to introduce yourself. Now, your initial post, this week it's going to be your introduction, is due no later than Thursday. And you have 2 responses, so that's just responding to 2 of your classmates, no later than Sunday of this week. Now, when I say something's due no later than Sunday, you can do it earlier. So if you don't want to work over the weekend, you don't have to. You can get it out of the way earlier in the week. You just can't do it later than Sunday for credit. So that's our discussion this week. And this week as well, we have a quiz. Usually the quiz will be on the class materials for the week. However, this week, the quiz is just about the syllabus. So you can take this quiz as many times as you want and take as long as you want to submit it. Typically, you will only be able to take the quiz once, and you will have exactly 1 hour in which to submit the quiz. But this week, because we're still getting to know the class and it's about the syllabus, and I want to make sure you really do learn the syllabus, you have as many retakes as you want and as much time as you need. So that is due by Sunday, but again, you can hand it in earlier if you wish to. Finally, there's an anonymous survey. It is fully anonymous. I will not be able to link responses with names, so feel free to be honest. It is just asking your opinion on some things. There's no prep work needed. You can just start at any time, and please, again, submit it no later than Sunday. So that plus your quiz will make up your sort of homework grade this week, and your discussion board participation will make up your discussion grade for this week. So every week I hold office hours, and this week I will be holding them on Thursday. You'll be able to book an appointment on Calendly. So you'll see a link in the announcement as well as just on our Brightspace page in general. And when you go to that link, you'll see some time slots. And you are welcome to book any of those time slots, but if they don't work for you, if you're like, wow, I just can't meet on Thursdays, or, oh no, there are no available appointments, send me an email, and I'm always happy to schedule another time. I realize with asynchronous classes, sometimes my synchronous office hours may not work for you. As a note, all our office hours will be conducted on Zoom, so they're not going to be like in a physical office. If office hours don't work for you, you are also welcome to email me questions or post them on Brightspace on our Q&A discussion board. So with that all out of the way, have a great week this week. I look forward to getting to know you on the discussion board and through the survey.